Today we are going to be giving this old bookshelf a new modern look. This piece is actually not made of solid wood, it's actually laminated wood. We're going to begin by removing our shelves just to make it easier access to paint our bookshelf. Some shelves may require a little more work than others. Next, we're cleaning our surface to remove any dirt or oils that may be laying on that surface. We're going to be using chalk paint, which requires no primer or sanding. Since there's no prep work needed, we can get right to painting. The finish of this paint is very matte and it applies very thickly, so a little bit really does go a long way. I chose to paint this piece rather than stain it because it's made out of that laminated wood. If I stained it, the grain would not actually show up. Once I got down my whole base color, it's time for the stenciling, and I'm going in with this seafoam green color. Once you've taped down your stencil, you're just going to be applying minimal paint to the stencil until it is covered. Once you've got your first stencil down, just keep repeating until the whole back of your bookcase is covered with the pattern. After all our painting is done, it's time for our cream wax, and this just protects and seals and gives our matte paint kind of a sheen to it. After I replaced my shelves, I was so shocked to see how different that this piece looked. It truly transformed into something completely new. Using the chalk paint made this process so much easier because the paint dries so quickly. I got this project done in no time. The pop of color in this piece is just subtle enough that it's not too overwhelming and could fit perfectly in any room. Head to our website to check out more of our stencils, and don't forget to tag us on social media with your stencil art.